If you're in the world of data governance, you've probably noticed something. The whole conversation has shifted. It's not just about compliance checklists, storage policies, or ticking boxes anymore. The real question today is about access. Who can touch your data? When can they do it? And under what rules? Because let's be honest, data isn't just lost out of thin air. Access is abused first. Think about every major data breach or governance failure you've ever heard of. They almost always start with the same weak link: identity. We're talking about shared credentials, users with way too many permissions, or passwords that got compromised. This is why modern data governance is all pointing in one direction: an identity-first approach to control. And this is exactly where a name like Passwordless becomes so incredibly powerful. It defines the solution before you even say another word. Consider where the entire industry is heading. We're all building towards zero-trust architectures, enforcing least privilege access, demanding continuous verification, and creating audit-ready identity controls. In every single one of these forward-thinking models, what's the common thread? Identity is the new perimeter. It's the enforcement layer. Passwordless ID isn't just a cool feature. It's the fundamental building block. It immediately communicates strong identity assurance, secure access to your most sensitive data, and massive reduction in insider risk, and a governance framework that isn't built on the sandy foundation of passwords. This is the language that enterprises, regulators, and security leaders already speak and understand. As the amount of data we manage explodes and regulations get stricter, companies aren't wondering if they need better data governance. They're desperately asking, how do we control access at a massive scale without grinding productivity to a halt? The simple answer is passwords don't scale. They create friction and risk. But passwordless identity? That scales beautifully. That's what makes Passwordless such a game-changing asset. It's short, it's crystal clear, and it immediately owns the space where identity, security, and governance all meet. This domain is a perfect fit for data governance platforms, identity and access management providers, cloud security companies, and even the big tech firms building out their enterprise security divisions. This isn't just about clever marketing. It's about owning the core language of the category at the most fundamental level. The best tech brands don't need to explain what they do. Their name tells the whole story. Data governance is becoming inseparable from identity governance. And identity governance is racing towards a passwordless future. The domain Passwordless sits right at the heart of this tectonic shift. For any investor, founder, or company serious about leading the future of data governance, this isn't just a speculative purchase. It's a strategic move to position yourself at the center of a market that's already in motion. The rules are tightening, the cost of a breach is higher than ever, and identity is the one control point everyone is racing to secure. The only question left is, who will own the identity layer that governs all that data? For more details on this domain, please contact spaceship.com. Thanks for watching.